So I work with a lot of data, and what I find interesting is a lot of the data from the public sector is published as PDFs, and it's always been really frustrating to be able to get that information. So, often I've never used it, but I am unreasonably excited by the latest feature I've seen in Power BI because it really helps to get at interesting information. If you go into options in Power BI and in the preview features, click to switch on the get data from PDF files, we can now treat that as a data source just like anything else. So let me go in here, tell it I want to pull together data from a PDF file. Let me tell it I want that file, which is the one we were just looking at. It's going to go through that file, look for all the tables of data, and show me those tables. And then I can treat it like any other Excel spreadsheet or database or whatever it might be. So it's a long file with lots of tables, but in a second, here's my data. So let's click on that one. There's a preview. So let me click Edit, and I'm going to bring that into the Power BI data editor. Now, the reason I brought it in is I need to remove the first couple of rows there because there's stuff I don't need. And I also want to make that first row there, that's obviously the headers that I want to be able to use. And so now you can see it's brought all my school names and all the values in. If I click close and apply, that's going to move it on to my Power BI visualization. And so then I can treat it like a database. So for example, I could link it to other data I've brought in about the schools. I could link all of the different tables together to get all of the school's data into one place. So it's just taking a look at that data, building the model, and then over here I can see there's my school names. Let's bring in, I don't know, the balances from 2009 and the balances from 2013 and turn that into a bar chart. There we go. What I obviously want to do is there's lots of different tables on different pages, all with that data for all the school balances. So maybe I've got 1,000 schools in there, so I would bring that all in as one table, put it together, and there we go. Data from a PDF file presented the way I want it in, 2 minutes. It's in the preview features of Power BI. Go and click on Get Data from PDF, and you can do exactly the same thing.